Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to use a contactless card on the London Underground. When you start your journey, walk towards the ticket barriers at the station entrance. You will see yellow card readers placed on top of the gates. Take your contactless bank card or your mobile device with a payment app like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Hold it flat against the yellow reader. Make sure you keep it steady for a second. You will hear a short beep and see a green light. This means your card has been accepted and the gates will open. Now you can walk through. After passing the gates, follow the signs to your platform. Check the direction of your train and wait safely behind the line. When your train arrives, step inside and continue your journey as normal. There is nothing else you need to do while traveling. Your contactless card has already recorded your entry point. When you arrive at your destination station, walk towards the exit gates. Just like before, you will see yellow card readers. It is very important to use the exact same card or device you used at the start of your journey. Tap it flat on the reader again. Wait for the beep and green light. The system will now calculate your fare based on the zones you traveled through. If you forget to tap out, you may be charged a higher fare, so always remember this final step. Thanks for watching.